I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend.
Hi guys, it's Coco here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are keeping safe out there and I hope you are doing well. In today's video I'm doing a fridge deep cleaning, but I'm only gonna be doing the top part. I won't be doing my freezer because I cleaned it last week. So let's get started. I'm simply emptying my fridge so that I get everything out of the way, and then I'm gonna be giving it a good wash, and then I'm gonna be washing out all my glasses inside and all the trays.
At the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours. Worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want.
So tell me guys on the comment section, how often do you clean your fridge? I clean my fridge about twice a month, but only the top part, the freezer, I clean it maybe once in 3 months because it takes time, you know. So I usually clean the top part, and mostly when I'm about to fill it up with some fruits or some veggies, that's when I give it a good wash.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me.
Okay guys, now I'm washing my fridge. I'm using some warm water, dishwashing liquid, and some white vinegar. Some they use bleach, but I prefer white vinegar. If you can smell some odor coming from the fridge, you can go ahead and add in about a tablespoon of some baking soda so that it kills all the odor from your fridge. So now I'm just scrubbing with my soft sponge, and then I'm wiping it down with my microfiber cloth.
Take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close. So get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold. I'm golden.
So now that I'm done washing inside my fridge, let's move over to the trays and the glasses as well that I took out from my fridge. I'm using the same water that I was using wiping it down inside. So this is what I'm gonna be using. I'm washing them down, rinsing, and then I'm gonna be drying, and they'll be ready for me to put them back in my fridge.
lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep.
Everything is looking nice and clean and my glasses are so shiny. Now I'm assembling back everything inside my fridge, and I must say some of the pieces, it was quite a challenge for me. You will see as I'm putting my water dispenser there, it was quite a challenge. It took me some time and I was about to give up, but at the end of the day I managed to assemble back inside. So guys, today I'm cleaning along with my friend of mine from here in South Africa. Her name is Amina. She does cooking, cleaning and motherhood as well. I'm gonna link her channel in my description box. Go give her some love and some support as well.
Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful? perfection. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, then we'll shout it out louder, prouder. You know that.
So we've come to the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate you guys, and thank you for the encouragement and the love that you always show me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and share, and subscribe if you haven't. Till next time, bye.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on